So guys, haven't seen you in a while. Basically, the last few months of my life have been very crazy. First thing, I didn't really want to talk about this, but a bunch of you guys have been asking why I haven't been making too many videos. And first off, I recently lost both of my grandparents, so that was really hard. And the second reason I haven't been making very many videos is because I've recently graduated, as you can see with this video that my lovely mom shot for me right here.
Nicholas Mark Hunt.
And the second reason is I recently just got a job in my field, so I graduated, so I'm technically now a professional horticulturalist, and I just got a job in wholesaling with plants at a nursery, and it is great so far, but it is also taking up a lot of time because we are just getting into shipping season, and yeah, it's a lot of hours. So, not a lot of YouTube. But this year I am planning on stepping my game up to a new level. I'm gonna try to make the production quality good. And so basically I have a bunch of things like I want to talk about, but they're kind of all jumbled up in my head, so let's just get at it. As you guys have seen before in my unboxing video, I had two morning geckos. Those are sadly not here anymore as they both died within a matter of a week within each other, and I have no idea why. It's really sad. They were both doing really great. They were growing pretty fast. They both actually recently shed right before they died. They were munching on the Pangea mix and eating fruit flies, and I don't know why they died. It's really confusing, but the good news is I'm planning on getting two new morning geckos from Reptiles R Us again. They were both really good lizards, and I'm definitely going back to Keith because he makes some really great animals. But this time I'm planning on getting two different localities of morning gecko, one which will be the Hawaiian line, which is a bee line I think, and the other one is the common morning gecko that is spread throughout the world, really. But planning on getting those, so that will be really fun. So the next thing I want to update you guys on are the seeds, or not seeds, but plants really. I just have a lot of seedlings growing right now, so I have that on my brain. But basically, since you guys have last seen a really good look at all of my plants, a fair amount of stuff has died, or I don't have it anymore, like is gonzo. Or I've got new stuff, and then I got some stuff that I've had the whole time. But basically I'm going to give you guys a better look at my plants in a future update, which will be pretty soon. Also, I'm going to be doing some more animal related stuff, more vivariums, and I haven't actually shown you guys a vivarium on this channel yet despite the name of it, but that is going to happen this year for sure. I'm also planning on, I don't think you guys have met Scruffy. So this is Scruffy. He's my, how many years would that be? I believe 8-year-old bearded dragon. He is such a lovely little reptile. So basically this year he's had a really boring cage for the last 8 years of his life, and I don't think that's really fair for him. Like, it's pretty basic reptile carpet with a log and a water dish, and then I toss him bugs and veggies, and that's pretty boring. I want to do his cage over. I'm going to go with a fully bioactive arid setup for a vivarium as well. Where I am in Canada, we get about three good months of solid heat, and humidity is pretty stable. So I'm going to be giving Scruffy as well an outdoor cage, which will be, I'm going to show you guys that whole shebang when it goes down. And Scruffy is going to be living out there for, well, once I get the cage done, so hopefully late spring, but once the temperatures are stable and good enough for him to go outside, I'm going to be putting him out there and he will be loving it. Won't you, Scruff? As well, this year I'm going to be showing you some really cool plant tutorials. I'm going to show you how to do gardening, weeding, garden design. I'm planning on doing a budget garden this year, which will be awesome. As well, I'm going to, yeah, that's pretty much it for gardening stuff. Also, I have been working on a documentary. It's going to be a mini documentary, so nothing Blue Planet 2 or Planet Earth length, but it's going to be super cool. It is about fish, and I'm not going to spoil it or anything yet. I want to get it finished and then I will announce it and everything. It will be on my Instagram. Go follow me, please. But anyway, so there's that, and yeah, that's pretty much all the updates. Also, I got my hair cut, so it is not a long mane anymore. And if you want to go see that, I have a video, right, it should be popping up somewhere over here, or a link to my channel called Moose Duck TV. That is more of a vlog type channel where I don't really deal with plants and things of that nature on it, but I'm definitely going to be pumping out some more fun videos on that, so you should go give that a subscribe too if you're already subscribed here. And if you're not subscribed here, you should do that right now. And that will conclude this video, guys. I hope you liked it, and till next time, God bless.